A first ever meeting in Europe between Olimpija and LASK. Olimpija have won their last 3 home games in the UEFA Conference League, but lost their opener in Heidenheim. LASK are struggling domestically, but have won 5 of their last 6 away in this competition. Ball clipped forward, the header on. Whipped across by Florence, and Alex Blanco is in. And Olimpija leads, 14 minutes gone. Neat link-up play between Raul Florence and Alex Blanco. It's a perfectly weighted ball, and Blanco did the rest. Here's Florence again. He's running all sorts of space. And Pedro Lucas, tipped onto the inside of the post by Zevenhandel. Mightily close to a second goal for Olimpija. Free kick floated in, it's gone right the way through, it's a tap in for 2. Pedro Lucas. Played back across by Marko Ristic. Did well to recover this, and Lucas did the rest. It's Diogo Pinto. It's a cracking effort off the crossbar. Danger not over yet. And then finally gathered by Zevenhandel. What a hit that was, though, from Diogo Pinto. And Olimpija make it 2 wins out of 3. They have beaten LASK here by 2 goals to 0.